How to set custom ringtone on iPhone. Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Once you are inside settings, head over to sounds and then move into ringtone. Tons of different ringtones will be visible to you. So these are the ringtones that you already have it on a device. If you want to set a custom ringtone, then you have to head over to Tone Store. So in here, you have to make sure that the sound that you want to set or the sound that you have customized is already on your device. If you have purchased, then head over to Purchased over here. It will land you on the page where you'll be able to see all the songs that you have purchased. Simply click on the song that you want to set it as a ringtone. Once you have selected, it will be added to your ringtone list. After that, you have to click on it once again, and then the ringtone will be set. And if you have downloaded the song, then you have to move into downloads. Make sure all the customized songs and tunes has already been downloaded on a device, then only it will be visible in this page. All you want to do is click on the song that you want to set, and then you'll be good to go. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.